Now to Florida, which is reporting 1 in 5 of the nation's new COVID cases. Only 48% of the state's population has gotten both shots, and amid the spread of misinformation. This is slightly below the national average on vaccinations. Manuel Bojorquez joins us from Jacksonville. Manny, good morning.
Good morning, Anthony. Let me give you some perspective here. At one point last month, the University of Florida Health System in Jacksonville had only 14 COVID-positive patients. Now there are 178. More than 90% of them are unvaccinated. For the staff here, it's not necessarily reliving the worst of the pandemic because this is the highest number of COVID-19 patients they have seen since it started.
Me and my wife, we have been together for 31 years.
62-year-old Curtis Sanderlin recently lost his wife, Joy, to COVID-19. Now he's fighting for his life at this Jacksonville hospital.
How are you feeling right now as far as your ability to breathe and what this virus has done to you?
It goes, the breathing, my breathing goes, it comes and goes.
But the grief remains. Sanderlin, who struggled to get through the interview, is not vaccinated. But interestingly, neither are about half of the staff at the health system where he's being treated, says Chad Nielsen, Director of Infection Prevention at the University of Florida Health Jacksonville.
People frequently ask, well, why aren't more of your staff vaccinated? And we say, well, they're still part of the general population. They consume the same news, they consume the same social media as others, and they're just as susceptible to some of the misinformation and things like that in the community.
Yes, the unvaccinated are in COVID's crosshairs, but the impacts can reach beyond.
It's been said this is a pandemic of the unvaccinated. But if all of your rooms are full and you can't get other patients in here for procedures, that affects everybody.
Absolutely. Our hospital is filling with a lot of unvaccinated COVID patients. And what's going to happen is it's going to keep other patients from receiving care.
Many who end up at the hospital regret not getting the shot, says nurse Zoe Sinnis.
We have a patient today that says that he would like to get the vaccine now.
As for Curtis Sanderlin,
given what you've gone through, would you get the vaccine now?
Yes, sir.
You would get it now?
No doubt about it.
What's your message for people who haven't gotten it yet?
Take it. Take it. Take it. Do the right thing.
Doctors here fear that they may not see the peak of this surge until September. Last month, when the state's positivity rate for new cases fell below 5%, the state of Florida stopped issuing daily reports of cases and deaths, instead going to weekly ones. But now with that positivity rate at 15%, some critics say those daily reports need to come back to help better track the spread. Jerika?
All right, Manny, thank you.